In this video, we will discuss about meninges, its 3 layers, and the spaces of meninges. What are meninges? The meninges are a set of 3 protective membranes that envelop the brain and spinal cord. Their primary roles include providing physical protection, supplying blood to the central nervous system, circulating cerebrospinal fluid. What are the layers of the meninges? Meninges are composed of 3 layers: dura mater, arachnoid mater, pia mater. Number 1. The dura mater. It is the outermost and toughest layer. It is composed of dense connective tissue. Functions. It provides following functions: protects the brain and spinal cord, anchors the CNS to the skull and vertebral column. Dura mater is divided into periosteal layer. It is closely attached to the skull. Meningeal layer. It forms the actual covering of the brain. Number 2. The arachnoid mater. It is the middle layer, named for its web-like appearance. It contains following components: arachnoid trabeculae. These are web-like structures connecting to the pia mater, subarachnoid space. It is a space below arachnoid mater, filled with cerebrospinal fluid and blood vessels. Functions of arachnoid mater. It acts as a cushion for the brain. It facilitates CSF flow. Number 3. The pia mater. It is the innermost and most delicate layer. It closely adheres to the surface of the brain and spinal cord. It contains blood vessels that supply nutrients to the CNS. Functions of pia mater. It supports brain and spinal cord health by facilitating nutrient exchange. Now, we will talk about the spaces in the meninges. Meninges are composed of 3 spaces: epidural space, subdural space, subarachnoid space. Number 1. Epidural space. It is between dura mater and skull. It may become evident during trauma, for example, epidural hematoma. Number 2. Subdural space. It is between dura mater and arachnoid mater. It becomes significant in pathological conditions, for example, subdural hematoma. Number 3. Subarachnoid space. It is between arachnoid mater and pia mater. It contains CSF and blood vessels. What are the functions of meninges? It provides following functions: protection. It shields the CNS from mechanical injury. Cushioning. It absorbs shocks via cerebrospinal fluid. Support. It provides structural support to the CNS. Nutrient supply. It facilitates exchange of nutrients and waste products.